What is up, Go Fam? You already know I'm out here. Pop it up, pop it up. You already know I'm out here on the EBOX 2.0. We in Miami. It's a pedal bike ride out today, but I'm pulling up on that EBOX. About to go slide to the meetup right now. Oh, oh, oh. I ain't gonna lie, it's been raining literally every day since we've been here. It's been night rides. Today the first daytime ride. About to go pull up to wherever they're at. The pack is looking lit today. So, gonna pop out and see. Winwood right now. Woo! EBOX hit! Sheesh, it said they 20 minutes away in a car. I ain't gonna lie, Miami 20 minutes is like an hour. Oh look, there goes like that. Hey, oh! 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 To go meet out with the pedal like that. Huh? Left on 12. Word! That boy Con out here on the Ultra. Let's see some work. Okay. Big full fitty. Hit me up. I see the back and I see a cop behind the back. What does that say is? Oh, this is the little Woo! Give me that voice. What happened?
Kai just went down. They pushing him up to the pack right now.
How'd he go down?
He was like swerving or something.
He got fucked up?
I ain't gonna lie, I told you to get a video. He started cutting. Oh shit, one way Corey!
W bike, brother. W bike. Get through that. Get through that. Get through that. Arms ain't tired. I ain't even put my gloves on yet. Angel out here. We got two-wheel Frank. Yeah.
Fucking Corey, bro.
What's up, bro?
Bro, I've been watching you since I was a little fucking kid, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
I was talking like an OG days, like 2019 and shit, bro. 2018.
Yeah. You can't even think right now, the kid.
Huh?
Can't even think right now. That dude right tight as shit. Honk for a wheelie. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah.
Let me see some words.
Jid almost took my life last night on my signature bike.
Look, I'm crossing the highway.
Bro, you just crossed. You gotta look, bro.
I ain't see you.
Look, but look, say if I was a car, you could have been done.
Oh man, my adrenaline rush.
No, yeah. Just pay attention though. You can't panic. You just gotta, you mean, cause that shit could have been bad.
Damn, dog, you be yapping. Shut up. Damn, dog. Just be yapping and yapping.
What?
All right, bro.
Dumbass Jit. Yo, ass green as fuck. Yeah. What's up, bro? FG shirt. Yes, sir. That joint's still holding up.
One more thing, bro. Can I get a video of you saying what's up to my brother Third?
Yeah.
His name Third.
Third?
Third.
Third, what up, my boy? We outside. Why your worm ass not out here?
Appreciate you, Corey.
Already. Okay, W bike. Yes, sir. Let go. Ooh. Let's go. Okay. Willie, what you say, Willie? Okay. He got it now. Oh, his brake's on the left side? I just peeked.
Oh, shit.
That's my boy Taco? Taco out here? Yeah, Taco? Oh my God, that shit looks amazing.
Take it all the way up.
My youngest.
Yo, Corey.
Oh, it is. Yo, it's ready to lift up. It's about to lift up.
Okay.
The bridge about to lift. Yo, it's about to lift up.
Oh, wait, that one way, Corey.
Okay. EBOX.
What's up, dude?
What's up, dude? Get through that, get through that.
I sold it. I got
Damn. Man out here with a snake around his neck.
You want to see some work?
You ain't got to work with the snake around your neck. That is diabolical work. That is diabolical. Fort nigga. Oh, that joint looking at me. You tripping. Okay, B. Okay. Yo, ass green. Woo! 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 So ugly ass looking at, boy.
Damn! No!
Chain loose as fuck. I never tamed it. Huh? Real shit. I ain't feel like doing it. Look at that shit.
Whoa!
Okay. Okay. I see the work. Where the work? Okay, yeah. 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 Woo! Yeah!
Watch him! Watch him! Watch him!
Oh my! Get through that! Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Ah!
He didn't think you were gonna come, and I told him he's probably gonna be there. I'm gonna call him later.
Now he's not popping out. Unreal.
He's not popping out.
Yeah. I'm gonna be out on it tomorrow. On the EBOX. Okay. Okay, leg over bar. Oh! Ooh! Don't drop. Let's go. Get through that. Let's go. Let's go.
Alright guys, we're with the e-bike crew right now.
Ooh! Jay, you lucky my chain pop. Let's go.
I'm lucky what?
My chain pop.
Oh, how the fuck?
It's loose as shit. I gotta pull the pin back. Fuck. Oh!
Alright!
I think I fucked somebody's grandma. Who that was?
Alright!
Yeah! Okay, Lion Dog out here doing a whole bunch of nothing on that Blitnack bomber. I just did this joint up, tires, sprocket, sticker kit, ROS, you know the vibes. Okay, Lion. Hey now, Lion. Hey now, Lion. He thought it was that easy, Lance? My boy. Ooh! 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 Get him out of the way. Bye-bye. Wagwan, them dead. Oh, puddle. Oh. Oh. Hey now. Hey now. Oh. Don't panic. Ooh. Okay.
Hey, don't hit the cameraman.
Oh! What's up, bro? Okay. Yeah, younger.
Try it again, come on.
Yeah, let's see that again. Let's go. Ooh! Hold on, I'm back at it. Beep, beep, beep.
Everything goes. Slide it up there.
Walk one. Oh! Damn! Unreal. All that noise and he don't want to race.
Yo, watch his leg. He's right back.
In the middle of the pack, I'm trying to post the bed.
I'm not pretty weak to be outside.
Damn. Damn. Burn. Damn, all nice cars, back to back to back to back. Jeez. Okay. What else? What else? Ooh. Oh!
Got my koi gloves in Santa Monica.
Damn. Okay. Ooh, who that? Oh, live? I'm about to come record you. You won't drive?
Yeah, oh my God.
Okay. Okay. Ew, Tabber. Oh. Hey now. Oh. 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 W bike, brother. Okay, line. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Tap her all up. You're supposed to control her though. Yeah, I need a pull, Ben. Come on. Let's go. We out, Ben.
All right.
Let's go.
Turn in.
Let's go, leader. Let's go, leader. Let's go. Pedal. Pedal. I got you now, Jet. We gotta see some work though. Oh, Ben ain't got traffic work? Okay. Let's go, Ben. Let's go. Let's go, Ben. Let's go. Let's go.
I say we do a swap.
No, definitely not.
Not yet, not yet.
Oh, yo. What the? Unreal, I tell ya. Yeah, bye, man. Yo. Okay. Oh my. One hand. Woo. No hand. Oh. Damn. Hold up.
Pull it back.
Damn.
One way for you here to
Yeah.
save the day.
It's crooked.
Thank you.
Already, bro. Want boost? Let's see some work. Let's go. Big one-way set. Let's go on the frame. Let's go. What else? Oh my. Oh man, we got the chopper on us. I ain't gonna lie, as soon as I get back to the B&B, I gotta tighten this chain. It's gonna keep popping now. At first it'll just pop here and there, that's because the chain's so loose. That thing just flopping around, and I put chain lube on it. That's gonna come right off now.
That's the sound of the police.